Okay, okay. So welcome, Mr. Burton from France and from the Octopus Company, and they invent a new reboot for the poultry. And welcome, Mr. Dr. Ali. And do you listen the presentation of Mr. Burton regarding the reboot for the poultry?
Sir, I have just joined. Uh,
Okay.
I shall listen it again.
Okay, no problem. I will tell you that Mr. Bertrand is the president of the Bioscoti of Octopus Company from France. They invented first time in the history of poultry artificial intelligence reward for the poultry, for the sanitization, for the racking, for the litter management, for the fumigation, for the bird welfare. So they invented it from 2016 and they have a very good clients in the France market and Europe. And do you have any question regarding this?
Yes, that's great. I have just listened, I think, first time. I have never heard it
Okay,
before. So,
first you introduce yourself, please.
I am Dr. Ali, working in poultry sector from 1 year. I have just graduated. I did my DVM from University of Moj, Rawalakot, Azad Kashmir, and now so
Okay. Okay, Mr. Burton, please tell to Mr. Dr. Ali regarding your reboot.
Okay. What is the question? Sorry.
You tell us regarding your reboot. That's very unique thing in the poultry farming. For the
Yeah.
poultry farming is a unique thing. You tell us, Mr. Ali, and then he will ask some question. You tell us a little bit about your reboot.
Okay. Yes. About the robot. The robot. This is not a big robot. The weight is 80 kilograms, and this robot will. We have a scarifier to treat the litter. The litter is very important because the quality of the litter. Yes, the quality of the litter. This is a condition of productivity and welfare because with this litter we have sometimes crust on the litter, and the litter, if we have bacteria, we can produce ammonia. So our system is able to treat this litter to increase bird welfare and so to increase productivity. So this robot treats the litter thanks to a scarifier on the back of this robot. We have also a tank with essential oil or other solution to treat the litter, and we can treat also the chicken. So we can increase the production, and in France we increase the production. The minimum is 1.5 euros per square meter per month. So lots of money. In the same times, our system we provide data because we have sensors on the robot. We have sensor, ammonia sensor, temperature sensor, and humidity sensor. So we can create a map with, yes, first we can measure the quality, the parameters directly near the chicken. We don't have one or two sensors for one building. We check in the real time the air quality. That's why we can generate some map with measurement everywhere. This is a map with temperature, so you can detect some specific case. Perhaps near the door it's cold or hot. In the center it's very high. We have a high level of ammonia, for example. So we can detect lots of parameters, lots of events. In the same time, we have a camera. So we have some videos of chicken. We can analyze the concentration, the density, the mobility of the chicken. So yes, this is important. So we can analyze all the information to adjust the treatment, to adjust everything, and to increase also the production. So this is this robot.
This is literally, this is the remote, and it's working.
Yes.
You see this, it's working like this.
Yes.
Sir, voice.
Okay. Yes, this is a video. We can detect and identify the chicken, for example. Okay. Dr. Ali, do you have a question? Dr. Ali, your mic is off.
Okay, Mr. Bertrand, are you providing your facilities in Pakistan also?
Dr. Ali?
Yes, I am hearing.
Okay. Do you have a question?
Are you provide? Please let me know the cost.
Mr.
If
Ali, is
anyone wants
the
to
question
install
of
this.
Mr. Ali is that, are you providing this report in Pakistan?
It's for me the question?
Yes. Are you
Yes.
offering this report for Pakistan market?
Yes. Right now, why not? It depends of the project, because we know that we have a chicken market in Pakistan. But if we have the opportunity to do that, we can start. Yes, we have inquiries from the USA, from Spain, Italy, UK, Germany, Russia. Very important, Russia, with where in Thailand, China, in Brazil, also yes, Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Panama. Yes, we have 2 projects in Panama. Yes, but if there is a opportunity in Pakistan, yeah.
Okay, that's great. So can you please let me know the prices of it?
Yeah, the cost of the robot is 30,000 euros. This is the cost of the robot. You have to add 4,000 euros for the installation, the algorithm, etc. And the cost of the maintenance because we provide a guarantee, a 5 years guarantee with all spare parts, consumable, everything, and the cost for 5 years is 16,000 euros. So the total cost, because to be clear, the lifetime of the robot is more than 10 years. It's more, yes, close to 15 years if you do the maintenance. So what we provide, because we are sure, we provide this guarantee, we provide this guarantee for 5 years. So the total cost, 5 years is a minimum. So the total cost with everything, the maintenance, is 46,000 euros. And during the same period, we expect to provide a profit, to increase the profit by more than 140,000 euros. So this is the cost of the robot, but if you are looking for the cost of the robot, you have to, in the same time, define the gain, the profit you provide.
Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you, sir. No more question.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, can you please share presentation which button had given you?
Yes, yes, I will share. We will share in our videos in our video YouTube channel. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ali, Dr. Ali, and thank you, Mr. Bertrand. And we are waiting for your next presentation with video, with specifications of control, the features of the reboot, and we are welcome. Thank you very much. So great. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.